Hi there, everyone. My name is Max Bowman, and I'm going to be a middle school math and history teacher, and hopefully language arts. I haven't decided that yet, but I hope to be. The reason I want to be a middle school teacher is I got the opportunity to coach 7th and 8th grade softball at Avon Lake Middle School, and it was just an eye-opening experience. We actually end up merging the 7th and 8th graders together because we didn't have enough girls. And to see how the 7th and 8th graders act together, you would be surprised of how big of an age difference or age gap that is. It's only 1 year, but the way they act is just completely different. And it just opened my mind up to, hey, like, I want to teach these girls not just softball, but like, how to be a better person in the classroom, and all the different parts of education, so they can become better people. So that's why I got into teaching. Just that little bit of softball got me to want to work with kids, and I have coached every summer since, and I continue to do it in the spring. So I cannot wait to be a teacher.